Okay. See how well my stabilizer bar works. So I wonder if this is it, or if this is something else.
I don't know, there might be a lot of bands.
When somebody touched my leg, I was walking by, that's why I stopped and looked back. I was like, what in the heck's touching me?
Really? Well, my light keeps flickering too. Isn't that weird?
Yeah, that's a lot of paranormal right there, just like...
Yeah. I forgot my, well, I didn't have time to find it because I decided to clear most of the crap out of my car because when I went up the day after I was stuck and walked out of the canyon to get my heart pills and stuff. And I just threw everything that I made a shelter with inside my car.
I'm glad you're okay.
Oh, me too. I only had like 0.7 of a mile to walk.
That's still pretty far though.
Yeah, and I waited till it was like 8 o'clock at night. So it was, okay. Let's see.
It's interesting. You gotta make one pass. It's right up there on the hill, see?
Okay, well,
There's two places, like a little there's like a two-story thingy, and then another like this.
which way should we go? You go ahead. You want to go first?
Yeah.
I wonder if I should put my night vision on. I can see. I hope it's filming it. Okay. Oh, wow. Huh?
Like a shed right here.
Yeah. Wonder what that is up there.
I think it's abandoned, whatever it is.
Yeah. I don't think this is a place I was looking for. I don't know, maybe it is. We'll find out if there's a bunch of beds in there.
Nobody's here, obviously, because you can tell it hasn't been worked through or nothing.
No, it hasn't. It's kind of creepy, that's for sure.
There might be a house in that area or something.
Yeah, huh?
That's what I'm thinking.
Man, these things are kind of stickery. Is it a house? Let's see, my lights start flashing again.
I don't know, I won't know till we go in there, but there's definitely a shed right there.
Okay.
It's kind of slick right here from the wheat.
Yeah, that's what I was on when I was on the canyon. Wow.
Is it underground?
And that's just one building too.
Wow, this might be a different find.
Maybe.
She was saying it's something like there's like a bunch of beds lined up, like it was an orphanage or something. See, I think I'll try to go up over here, huh?
I would, yeah. It's regular.
Oh, I gotta get some of these stickers out. Oh, now I'm friggin' flashing again. Why does he keep doing that? That's the sign of spirits, isn't it? When it does that?
If it flashes, your camera's flashing, there's paranormal around.
That's what I was thinking.
When we get a little bit closer to it. Those pokies are a
bitch.
yeah.
Okay.
That's crazy. It's like coming out of what was that town we went by today? From Hamilton? Mission.
Oh yeah, Mission.
There's a couple abandoned houses over there.
I'm gonna go like this. Looks like someone's walked through here or animal. Oh, they were sleeping here. Check this out.
Yeah, it's laid down right here.
It's laid down right here too. Looks like it's not even finished, huh?
I legit can't even see in those bushes. But, hey, we got a path.
Oh. Let's see. Almost looks like it's not even finished, whatever it is. Or, wonder which is the front.
That's a good question.
Oh, wow. There's a sink in the kitchen right there.
They've been using a long time now.
Was boarded up. Oh, there's something flying around in there.
There's bats.
It's like one room. Get the bat. Oh, it's a bird. Is it a bat or a bird?
The bat. Hey. There's a door on that side too.
The school.
Oh, it goes further. I thought it was just this one room.
I see.
That is orange fruit. Oh, it's black.
Oh, wow.
Started one way to open. Maybe this could be an apartment.
It is a bird. It's a bird.
Oh, I wonder if it could be like a motel or something.
Oh, he got out. He almost got me.
I was like,
It was a bird.
Tell.
this could be an old motel.
Is it?
Look, there's 2 beds in here.
Oh, wow. Let's see. Ew, there's a lot of poop in here.
Yeah, man.
It looks like it has a shower back there.
Yeah. You want to start recording?
It's a shower. Maybe this is where the people stayed that worked on the farm.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
It's a really old man. Okay. We're starting.
Yeah.
You want my phone?
You wanna record?
Yeah.
Yeah, come out and you can come in.
Hey, we would have found one place, we found something else instead.
Yeah.
You can still do the other place too.
Yeah, because it's just right down the road.
Where's your camera?
Let's go to the
Well, we were looking for one place. It looks like we found another place.
yeah.
Sitting here collaborating with Anthony Haynes, is
Yeah.
that right? And his girlfriend. And, what, excuse me?
Teresa.
Teresa, sorry, we just met. But we've been talking online a little bit.
Oh,
And we're from the same area. What?
this is the old one.
Is it?
Yeah. This is how you get to push the button.
Oh, wow. It's pink drawer. That has a pink drawer. Pink volume. I mean the volume. Pink temperature gauge. Anyway, we figured that maybe it was a hotel, but we think this is where the workers that worked on this farm lived. So we're going to keep exploring. We're still going to try to find that orphanage. If it's an orphanage, it's something. Let's see.
I didn't. I was ripped my crotch.
You okay?
I ripped my pants in the crotch.
Did you really? Well, we won't put the camera on you.
Nice technique.
No, it's okay. I didn't rip it that bad.
Let's see. Oh, there's something going on in here. I just heard something sound like wings.
Just what?
Sounded like wings. Oh, wow. It's got an upstairs. It's got a fucking oh, excuse my language. It's got an upstairs. Family
Hey, be careful
friendly.
you step on that.
Hey, the shower stalls are put there.
That's creepy.
Yeah, showers are.
That is freaking creepy. That is creepy.
That's the
See, there's something up there. It's got to be a bird or something.
Oh, there's lots of beds in here.
This is the one then. This is the one. I betcha.
I will so jump in there.
I think there's got to be a door.
Right?
There's got to be a door. Oh, look at the light's not even broken.
That's what's crazy though.
Isn't that crazy?
Oh, yeah.
And how is there an upstairs? It doesn't even look like there's room for an upstairs. Well, we're gonna find out what's going on. We're gonna see if we can get in here.
Your light, I mean, there was a reason why your light was flickering, right?
Yeah, there's something creepy.
Careful, it's tilted.
Shower stalls are
Careful, it's tilted down.
Okay,
Not flat like there.
okay. Oh, that sounds like more than just the bird, didn't it? I mean, that sounds like a bird, but I heard something like a
There's
bump.
something was doing some tape up there. Oh, my camera just went in and out too.
Did it?
Yeah, legit, right up the stairs.
Did you hear the bang?
Yeah, that's why my camera went in and out. I found a door.
You found the door?
And it's open.
And it's open? Cool. Yeah.
My camera's like tripping.
Clothesline.
Oh, look. I see a box or something up there. No, is that a drawer? What is that?
I need the Daredevil to see how it goes up there.
Look at, none of those lights are broken. None of them. How the heck is that? Look at this. None of the lights. None of them are broken. How can that be? Wow. Cement floor.
Something just
Oh, it just blurred on me big time.
something just hit the board.
Probably a bird.
I hope so.
There's a lot of bird feathers in here. Oh, what's in here? This is creepy. Oh, wow. And there's another doorway goes in there further. Oh, there's a bunch of beds in here. Oh,
You guys, if we each pick a bed, maybe we should sleep comfortably. I don't know.
oh my
I'm
gosh.
just kidding.
Look at it. It was where they put their stuff. Looks like this is where they put their stuff. In these cupboards. Whoa, look at all the dead birds. Those are all dead birds. That's a dead bird right there. Aren't those all dead birds?
That is. Look how flat that is. That's weird.
Looks like it has been decaying, but somebody's moved it.
Ooh.
Somebody's moved it.
Ew, there's a bunch of... I think these are all decaying dead birds. That is a really creepy sign.
Yeah, that's not good.
These are all... Now that wasn't a bird.
Anybody up there?
Hello, we're just here exploring. Making a video. Is anyone here?
There's a pigeon.
We're not here to bother anybody. If you're here, please holler out so we know. We won't go upstairs. I just got really blurry over this way.
I got a cold chill. I got a
There's something up there. It's a baby coyotes. That's a dog.
Oh, shit. I hope not.
That was a dog.
Hello?
I have bear spray in the car.
There's a bird.
Not while I was walking on the ground wasn't no bird.
No, that would explain all the dead birds, though. There's coyotes.
Let's put the footsteps up.
Do you hear it?
Stay here.
Here, do you want to take this so you can just put it up and see what's there? You can stick that up there and just like, you can turn that down closer to you so you can see better. Before you get your head all the way up there.
Bit off.
Watch out for that.
Please be careful with those stairs.
Yeah, that sounded kind of creepy, didn't it?
There's glass on my shoe.
Is there?
How would you guys feel if I told you
Do you see anything?
there's nothing
I
up
heard it
here?
running right now, didn't you?
Yeah.
There's nothing up here.
Right here where we're standing, right here.
Kidding me?
There's nothing up there.
It's fucking running. Excuse my language. It's running.
It's not up here. I got a cold chill though.
What's this?
Is this a subfloor?
No,
It's like another, it's like a plankway.
Can
like
you
a
see
walkway.
that?
Yeah.
Can you see that?
I mean, do you want me to take your camera up here and
Yeah,
walk?
go ahead.
Or I'll switch you. These stairs are okay.
There's a lot of dead birds in here.
Yeah, that's not good. Look at that like there's
That's really creepy.
Careful. What is that noise?